Hey guys, welcome to Angelo gamercool. Today we're playing Roblox and we're playing Tornado Alley. And 3 people only survived. Oh hi, Rainbow Dude. You were actually quite cool. So yeah, the rule is to play this game, you have to survive a tornado. So there's different kind of tornadoes. And Sherman. It has, let's say, hi guys. Hey, there's Rainbow Dude. Here's Rainbow Dude. Oh my god, you look amazing. So rainbowish. See, hi. Starting game. Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm dead. Let's do this one. This one looks quite cool. Oh, 2 people. Oh no. Someone vote for this one. Oh look. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, looks like we're doing that one. Looks like we're doing that giant building. Oh, we're doing that building. I'm scared. I might die. But I'm gonna just try to find someone that I might not get sucked up by a tornado. I don't want to get sucked up by a tornado. Town. Extra, read all about it. The massive tornado rocks 4 blocks. Wow. Roblox in the news. Until next issue. Wow, this is going to be a disaster. How did you find my house? I didn't know where your house is. And it's a fire tornado! Ah! Oh. Sorry. Ah! Puppy 1934! Want to hurry up and get inside? How do you get inside that building? How do you get inside? There's a doorway there. Oh no, I'm gonna get blown away. Oh wait, there's a doorway here. Okay, perfect. Because I might die. It tricked me. There's no door. There's a tornado. Tornadoes are being reported to be on fire. Our cities, everything can get touched into flames. Oh my gosh. No, I'm gonna die. It's gonna be a tornado forming. I went in circles. Oh, it's in here. Okay. Ah! A tornado is gonna form. There is a tornado forming in town. No, go on top. You will die up there. Oh, is this some kind of hotel? I'm scared. Where's the door? Won't you hurry up, Puppy 1934, and get inside? What's that? What is that? A fire tornado! Fire tornado! Ah! Why did they do that? We're not even close to the shelter. I mean, I'm in the shelter. Why did they do that? No one's even inside shelters. Girl, hurry up! No, you broke your leg from fall damage. Where's the tornado? I don't like the tornado. The tornado light fire everywhere. Ah! Why did they do that? There's a fire tornado. Ah! No! I'm gonna die. Help! I died. I died from a fire tornado. Oh my god. That was so hard. I need to enter back map. Ah! No! Fire tornado! Fire tornado! No! Watch out, everyone! There's a fire tornado! Run away! Nope, run away. I'm leaving. Nope, bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. We cannot no, you can't record this. Dude, you're gonna burn to death. Oh, jeez! tornado forming right there. I can't go in this building. The tornado just destroyed the whole building and it's on fire. Save? Should we need save other people who got destroyed by in here? Look, there's so many fire. This building's gonna... Oh my god, look at this building. It burned. No one can go in here. This building's broken. Oh no, I'm burning. I'm burning. Ah, fire tornado! No, I can't go in. Oh, jeez, there's the fire tornado. Look at that. Oh. 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 No. Oh, just the fire. Oh, just the tornado. I see the tornado. Wow. Wow, that's a big tornado. That was so big. Oh. Oh. Hey. Hey, look. Wow. How lucky was it that I was near a tornado? But, well, that was deadly. That was a dangerous tornado. Tornado damage. Yay. Look, yay, the rainbow guy survived, but I did not survive because I died. Oh, here they are. Look, you never take me alive. Look. I'm a psychic. Well, that was a dangerous tornado. Wow, what a disaster. Totally, what a disaster. That tornado was so dangerous. Oh my god, that tornado just destroyed me. That was like hard. Starting game. Let's do it. That one with the golden bridge. Right now it is. Here it is. Let's do this one. Yeah, everyone, let's do this one. Look, everyone's doing this. Look, everyone's doing the golden bridge one because they think that's the best one. Well, except for the one with the lighthouse and the one with the construction area. And the one with the street. I forgot what that one is. Wow, that was a disaster. What is this one gonna be? What kind of tornado this is gonna be? Hopefully it's a normal disaster. Yay. Angelo Vista. Actually, I read about the Havoc at town. Read about a Havoc at town? Wow. Havoc at town. Wow. That is a disaster. It's a fire tornado again! Find a giant building so we can survive that tornado. Where's a good building to hide in? Where am I? Where did I go? Where am I? I'm dead. Everyone's going this way. Oh no! Oh jeez, I don't mind anyone getting hurt. I don't mind anyone getting hurt. No, I'm dead. I'm dead. No, I'm a goner. I'm a goner. I'm such a goner. Oh, there's a fire tornado. Or sorry to say, a fire-nado. Look, here's the doorway. Okay, perfect. On the doorway. Okay. That. Oh no, it's not good, please. This door is good. Guys, I'm dead. I'm dead. Guys, I'm totally dead by this tornado. Oh no, don't, oh no, it's gonna form this way. Huh? Run! No, there's a fire tornado! Please, we're gonna die from a giant tornado! Oh no, it's coming this way! Nope, changed my mind, I'm going this way. Oh no, no! Fire tornado! Ah! 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 I'm getting pulled! I'm getting pulled! That tornado wasn't good. Get out of the way. Onto this one. Run. Run away. Fire tornado. A fire tornado alert. Oh! 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 No! 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 Ah! I love the fire trail. No! Fire tornado. There's a fire tornado coming its way. And I'm dead. No! Fire! 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 Firenado! Get back here! You'll never take me alive! I'm crawling towards nowhere. Oh, it's gone? The train's gone? Oh jeez! It's right there! Oh no, it's coming this way. Is it coming this way? It's coming this way! No! Stay back. Oh, look at the tornado! Look at the tornado! Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like that tornado. Oh no, I hit the giant bridge. Oh no. Leave me alone. I don't want to get destroyed by that giant tornado. Oh, it's right over there. Ah! Oh, just destroyed. This is like aliens versus monsters. No. No, that was a disaster. No, that's not supposed to happen. That's not supposed to happen at all. No, this is not supposed to happen. This is not supposed to happen. There's a fire tornado and it's gone. Did I die? I survived. I survived. I survived a tornado. Even though I got pulled away by a ginormous tornado for affordable price. I'm gonna end this video. Okay guys, hopefully you like this video. Smash the like button and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.